Remarkable tips how to disinfect your bathroom during viral outbreak. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. With nearly all kids out of school and large numbers of workers telecommuting, many houses are more crowded than usual. And bathrooms are perhaps the one crucial point in the house where all humans and therefore microbes pass through. So during the present pandemic, keeping your toilets, sinks, counters, and showers as germ-free as possible is key to keeping you and your family healthy. As you get ready to clean your bathroom, start by making sure to wash your hands. In addition, hard surfaces like showers, toilets, and counters, be sure to disinfect and wash towels and bath mats regularly. A fresh hand towel should be put in place at least daily. Giving everyone a new toothbrush regularly, and especially after getting over a cold, can also help keep bacterial levels under control. How to disinfect bathroom counters, tubs, showers, and floors? Hard surfaces in the bathroom should be disinfected twice a day because this is the room exposed to the most bodily fluids. If you are using a disinfectant wipe or a spray disinfecting cleaner, you must follow directions carefully. Use enough of the cleaner to leave the surface wet for several minutes, and allow the cleaner to air dry on the surface. To remove dry mucus from a sneeze or spittle after teeth are brushed, a microfiber cloth will provide the gentle abrasion needed to loosen the matter so it can be cleaned away. Use a separate microfiber cloth for the toilet or clean it last to avoid transferring germs. How to disinfect toilets? It's a good idea to disinfect every surface of a toilet including the bowl. The outer surfaces can be cleaned with and disinfect with toilet bowl cleaner with bleach. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Use separate bathrooms if a family member is sick. If a family member or roommate living with you is showing virus symptoms, it's important to assign them their own specific bathroom and to separate that person from others. If you don't have more than one bathroom, have the person with symptoms clean surfaces they've touched after they use the bathroom. If they're too sick to clean, your second option is to have a healthy person clean the area. Wait as long as you can before entering. Wear a mask and gloves to clean and wash the mask and your clothes after cleaning. A way to nullify the threats posed by viruses and infectious bacteria is to have your home cleaned regularly with correct cleaning knowledge and materials. An effective measure to prevent the virus is the regular sanitization and disinfection of every household. Take it upon yourself to continue to sanitize your hands regularly. Also, disinfect every part of your household that requires disinfection. It is the least you can do to ensure a safer home in place for your family. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out the best ways to disinfect your living room in the time of COVID-19. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. FastKlean works in partnership with Bravo. Together we want to change the world. Check our descriptions below to see our favorite products and use a special code for a 10% discount when you order via our channel.